Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda.com, here today spotlighting our clutch spring assist for the S550 Mustang. Most modern Fords equipped with a manual transmission, including your Mustang, have a clutch spring assist. The idea behind this is for the spring to actually aid in pushing the clutch pedal down. But with the use of a hydraulic clutch system, this kind of seems repetitive. Now, the manufacturers had good intentions in that they can use a slightly heavier pressure plate for the increased torque and horsepower these cars have today, but the reality is a very vague feeling as you're trying to let the clutch out. You don't feel the engagement point. We have a solution. Let's start with the spring itself. We've developed this to be a much lighter rate, 35 pounds to be exact, and wound it to be the specific length needed for the rate that we've gone with. This means that when the clutch pedal's all the way out, the spring can sit flat, yet it's plenty long when you push the pedal all the way to the floor. Now, the spring is offered by itself. We do recommend that you be very careful if your car has some miles on it or it's a few years old, even if it's brand new when you're disassembling the factory spring perch. But rest assured, we do have a spring perch for you if you damage the factory piece. The spring perch itself is also an upgrade to the factory unit. We've constructed a durable Delrin, and it can be used with the factory assist spring, or even better, our assist spring. We do recommend greasing the male end of this for smooth operation. Now, the way to really do it though, is just to buy the kit. This way you can keep the factory assembly all together, install our kit, and enjoy it. And when I say enjoy this, let's face it, every time you're going through the gears, every time you're shifting, you're pressing in the clutch and you're letting the clutch out. And this is one of those little things that you can do to your car that makes a huge difference in how you enjoy driving it. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. If you enjoyed the content of this video, spring into action and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about these and many of the other great products we offer, visit us at Steeda.com. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and most importantly, have a great day.